how to withdraw money from the RedotPay to your bank at the ESewa. I am going to first check my ESewa account. Okay, so my ESewa balance is 28 Nepali. Okay, and where I am going to RedotPay account. First withdraw Nepali bank, any country of the bank. Okay, first open my RedotPay account. After the open RedotPay account, mine 20.7 USDT. I have my RedotPay account available balance. So I am going to withdraw my bank account or ESewa wallet. Okay, so first take the send money. Okay, send ma. After the send, you can select your currency, and select your currency. After the select your currency, how many dollar to withdraw you? Okay, $14 withdraw, $14 to receive, and 1971 ampere. Okay, continue. Click to continue. After the continue, at reception first myself, go to all, myself is one, myself at reception, myself to link my wallet, or your can be link bank account, myself bank account. So my detail, choose your bank, agriculture development, finance, citizen bank, Press bank, or global IM bank, any way bank select, or I am going to select my ESewa wallet transfer, instant wallet transfer it reception. Okay, so click the e-wallet, after the myself e-wallet ESewa. Okay, enter the wallet number 980, wallet number 98, wallet number name, and wallet number shape. Okay, after the shape, your wallet number and your name. So this usually it might take within the 5 minutes. 5 minutes arrival. Your balance arrival in ESewa ID usually take the 5 minutes. So confirm. Click the confirm. Okay. After the confirm, so this is all. Fill all this name, country, address, all fill. So I am safe. Okay. After the save, confirm to withdraw. Confirm withdraw, pay to 50.180 USD. Okay, so this account, so this is pending. After the some time processing in the 5 minutes, taking the 5 minutes again, 5 minutes take. Okay, process taking 5 minutes, 4.44 time in now arrival 5 minutes. 5 minutes. ल देखो माथि my payment received from the 80 USD, my ESewa balance, ESewa 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, 1 minute. After the 1 minute, receive my bank account nearly 1.5 minutes. Okay, today check my balance. So this balance statement, I have money transfer from this. Okay, load by Nobel Bank. A good. Center name. Okay, ESewa wallet account. Okay, so this is ESewa transfer PPT limited, receive 920.80 from the ESewa money transfer ESewa. So this